Can you recommend universities for a bachelor's and master's in this field? The question asked by Zubair Khan, that he wants to know, can I recommend universities which have got bachelor's in Dawah and comparative religion? If you ask only Dawah, yes, there are many universities that have bachelor's and master's in Dawah, but comparative religion and specializing, there are universities which have got degree, but whether they're specialized, I cannot comment. Because when I meet people who have got the degree of Dawah, bachelor's degree, master's degree, PhD, I ask them, how many non-Muslims have you spoken to? Most of them nil. What they mean by saying Dawah is mainly Islah, speaking to Muslims. But Dawah is mainly meaning invitation. When you invite a non-Muslim to Islam, that's the real meaning of Dawah. So because you mentioned comparative religion, it surely means non-Muslims. There's no two doubt about it. So as far as comparative religion is concerned, there are universities, but I don't know how good. As far as Dawah is concerned, pure Dawah, speaking to Muslims, etc., of course, the universities which are good are mainly in Saudi Arabia. That is Islamic University in Medina. You have the Imam Muhammad bin Saud University in Riyadh. You have the Qura. But in comparative religion, I don't think so. The expertise is not comparative religion. It's mainly Aqidah and speaking to Muslims. But yes, there are universities in Malaysia, the IIUM, that is the Islamic International University of Malaysia. They have a section on comparative religion in the revealed knowledge. I know some people who have done bachelor's and master's and even PhD. So there is an option. You can join the IIUM, International Islamic University of Malaysia. I'm sure even in Pakistan, where you have the Islamic University of Islamabad, that's a very good university, alhamdulillah. I'm sure they will be having a section on comparative religion. You can surely check out, and there are good universities in Pakistan. So you just have to do some research. Go on the Google or on ChatGPT. You can ask them question and do your research. Try and find out, see what the teachers who are teaching there, what is the background, what is the knowledge. And based on that, you can decide which university you'd like to join. Hope that answers the question.